Hey guys, Fazman here. In this video, I am going to review VT Markets. Headquartered in Sydney, VT Markets was founded in 2016 and is a subsidiary of Vantage Group. The regulators governing the parent firm, including the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions, and the Financial Conduct Authority, making it a reliable broker. As you can see, VT Markets is authorized and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions under the name Vantage Global Prime Pty Limited. We can check on the regulator's website the valid and licensed registration of the broker. Most VT Markets trader will agree that the websites, platforms and mobile apps are all highly intuitive and easy to navigate, offering an excellent user experience. The website is simple, clean and uncluttered, making it very easy to find. Any top bar navigation menu clearly displays the main web pages such as trading information, platforms and education, with drop-down menus that allow you to quickly navigate to the pages you require. There is a further menu in the footer of the website that includes legal documents, terms of use, a sitemap, and contact information. MT4 traders will find the platform familiar and new traders will generally find their way around very quickly. When researching our review, we discovered that it is convenient and easy to open a forex trading account, and there are more than 40 currency pairs, which includes majors, minors and exotics. The product range includes 230 plus CFD products across forex, indices, precious metals, energies, soft commodities and shares. VT Markets offers its clients a choice of two account types, the standard STP and the raw ECN. The former comes with a moderate spread and zero commissions, while the spread on the latter starts at 0 pips and $6 per round transaction for a standard lot. You can begin trading with a $500 welcome bonus when you deposit $1,000 into your trading account. You can open a live account in no time. Still, if you would prefer to test the platform before depositing funds, you can switch to a demo account from the client area or even open a separate practice account in a couple of minutes. In terms of the trading condition, VT Markets offer a true ECN account with spreads starting from 0 pips, while the STP account comprises low spreads with zero commission. The CFD broker also promises lightning fast trade execution via its Equinix fiber optic network. VT Markets is offering the popular MetaTrader 4 suite along with the option of the world's most popular social trading platforms, ZuluTrade. The trading conditions are excellent with lightning spread order execution via the uniquely optimized fiber optic network, maximum leverage of 500 to 1 and ample liquidity. Beyond the desktop and web versions of MT4, VT Markets offers as well MetaTrader 5 and WebTrader. In addition to the trading tools that are built into the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, traders are also provided with some standalone trading tools for an enhanced trading experience. These include Trading Central, Trading Signals, Expert Advisors, and an economic calendar, which is a useful tool for forex trader to track important and potentially markets moving events. VT Markets offers a range of payments options, so customers should have no problem finding one that is convenient for them. Accounts can be funded in any one of four currencies: trillion dollar, US dollar, euro, British pound or Canadian dollar. Card payments are also possible with either Visa or MasterCard. Debit and credit cards can be used. Card payments can be made in any of the accepted currency, and making use of these payments method usually means that the payment will be made instantly. There is no broker levied fee for making a card payment, though your card provider may levy a transaction charge. Wire transfers are accepted both from within Australia and internationally. Using this method means that it may take 2 to 5 business days for funds to appear in your VT Markets account. Again, deposits can be made in any accepted currency, and there is no broker levied deposit fee. Check with your bank as it may charge you a transfer fee, especially for international deposits. VT Markets allows payment using a range of e-wallets and third-party methods. Customers have the option of funding their accounts via Neteller, Skrill, or FasaPay. Some of these providers charge fees on transactions, including the depositing of funds, but once again, there are no broker levied fees on deposits. Some payments methods might not be made available in your geographical location. So if you want to sign up with VT Markets, you will be able to open an account by using the link in the description below. They will give you 50% welcome bonus on your first deposit. If you have any question about the platform, about VT Markets in general, then let me know in the comment section below and I will answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching and good luck with your trading.